Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 32, Quranic Verses, Spending on One's Family. It is incumbent upon him who fathered the child to provide the mothers, during this period, with sustenance and clothing, according to customary good and religiously approvable practice. Surah Al-Baqarah, Chapter 2, Verse 233. Let him who has abundant means spend accordingly, and whoever is granted his provision in narrower measure, let him spend out of what Allah has granted him. Allah does not charge a soul with a duty except in what He has already granted it of capacity to discharge that duty. Surah At-Talaq, Chapter 65, Verse 7. Hadith number 162, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Zakah 39. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, out of a dinar, which you spend in the path of Allah, and a dinar, which you spend on freeing a servant, and a dinar, which you give to a poor person, and a dinar, which you spend on your family, the one with the greatest reward is the one which you spend on your family. Hadith number 163, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Zakah 45. Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, it is sin enough for a man that he neglects someone whom he is supposed to feed. Hadith number 164, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Zakah 27. Sahih Muslim, Zakah 57. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, there is no day which dawns on the servants of Allah without two angels descending, and one of them saying, O Allah, refund those who give money, and the other saying, O Allah, ruin those who withhold it. Hadith number 165, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Zakah 18. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, the upper hand is better than the lower hand. Begin with your dependents. The best sadaqah is that given by the wealthy. Anyone who refrains from asking, Allah will spare him the need to, and anyone who seeks to be independent, Allah will give him independence.